Kentucky Cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Over here with Chef Miss Allison Davis. How are you, my darling?
I'm wonderful with the infamous Troy Thompson.
Well, I do try infamous, famous. It's all the same, isn't it? Huh? Hey,
Depends on what
you're
you're
in
famous
peak
for.
period for kids. You can't see behind the scenes here. We've got 25 kids here because we do summer camp cooking lessons.
Yeah.
So if you're sick of your kids and you want to dump them off somewhere, just bring them to Allison. She's got 40 people here looking after them.
We love them, and we love cooking with them, so...
Don't we, children? They're all shaking because they were told never to talk while TT's here. Okay, so let's talk about what we're making, Brussels sprouts.
Well, I saw this recipe on Eating Well, and just, we're all familiar with kale chips, right?
I love
They've
kale
kind of
chips.
gone all over the place and gone viral. So
And they're very expensive though, Allison.
They are, so they're much cheaper to make. Well, this is a Brussels sprout chip, so it's a little tedious, I must say, so I don't know if I'll be doing this at home.
Oh, okay.
But I want you to...
Hence why we have 25 children here, because this is what we made them do.
Yeah, we had them prepping this. So this is something that the kids could certainly get involved with. But you're basically going to be taking and peeling the leaves off of the end of the Brussels sprout.
And we're not talking a big cabbage here, people. It is
He's like, really? Maybe you...
I have to tell you, that just made me shut up for a minute.
You might get
I was like, this is going to be...
it, though.
Yes.
You know, it might be one of those things like, you know, knitting or something that you just get involved in.
Exactly.
But yes, we're taking the leaves, and we want the outer leaves to make our chips, and so they have to be separated in order to get super crispy in the oven. So just like kale chips, as far as what we're doing with these.
Ritra, have you done all these?
These are the inside, and we're going to cook these.
Oh.
So I keep these. Don't throw away like the middle, like core.
Oh, that's why this is on burning my hands.
Take your outer leaves. We're going to go with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and start roasting off our Brussels sprouts, right? So this is the inside part of our Brussels sprouts. But the leaves, we just take a little bit of olive oil.
Oh, we need a spatula, children. Who's got a spatula?
One of our kiddos. Grab us a spatula. All right, we're going to take this olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then straight into the oven. This is going to go.
Perfect.
A little bit of water there. Very hot pan, giving us some nice caramelization. So this is all you do as far as prepping up your Brussels sprout chips. Olive oil, salt, pepper.
Yeah.
In the oven, I went about 375, 400 to get them super crisp for about 6 to 7 minutes. All right.
Did you not put anything else in there?
Not yet. We've got a little bit of garlic we're going to add to that. I like to cook the Brussels sprouts ahead because, you know, garlic can burn a little easier.
Yeah.
So I'm going to add the garlic in a little bit later. And then I've got some fresh oregano. And one of my favorite spices...
I love Brussels sprouts, darling.
I don't know if you love this or not, but one of my favorites.
Oh, turmeric.
Curry.
Oh, curry.
Yeah, I love curry powder. And people, I can't tell you how many people come up to me and they say, oh, curry, it's spicy. Curry powder is not spicy. Indian curries are spicy because they add so many.
Well, isn't that
different
Indian
things.
curry?
It is curry powder. Curry powder is just the spice. The Indian curries have hot peppers and chilies and everything in them that makes them hot. So curry powder, I absolutely love. Gives it a beautiful color. Take a look at that if you can, if we can show them.
And if you
how
also,
beautiful that is.
my darling, put it in a little bit of boiled rice, it makes the rice yellow, just for a little bit of fun for the kids.
Yes, absolutely. All right, so we're going to go with a little garlic, oregano here, maybe even throw a little vinegar on that, salt and pepper. So we've roasted off our insides, and now we've got our Brussels sprout chips here that we're going to give a little try here.
1 hour of peeling, people.
Very, these are a little bit salty, but they're very similar to kale chips, so I can't say...
Where are you going to put them? Don't eat them all, because there's only a few there.
We're going to top them on top of our roasted ones. But I love them. I love them.
It's a lot of work for such little gain.
In the kitchen. If you want to get the kids occupied, definitely grab some Brussels sprouts and have them make some Brussels sprout chips.
All right, take us to break.
All right. You can find this recipe at WTBQ.com/recipes. And I'm at Chef Allison Davis, and we'll be right back.